Assalamu alaikum my dear students, how are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Shahjadi Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take a science class for class 8 students. My dear students, our today's topic is chapter 3, creative question 1. Our today's lecture number 10 and SW number 8. My dear students, let's start our class. First of all, see the stem. creative question 1. One day Zarif's mother kept some dried grapes, that is kishmish, in water for cooking vermicelli. After some time Zarif found that the dried grapes are swollen. On other side, Zarif's sister was drawing a picture with the help of color and brush. At that time, a minute amount of color from the brush drops into a glass of water and is sprayed out in the water. My dear students, now see the question. Question number A, what is permeable membrane? Number B, what do you understand by imbibition? And question number C, by which process does the dye from the brush of Zarif's sister sprayed out in the water? Explain. And question number D, why is the swollen up process of dried grapes, that is kishmish, that Zarif observed important for plants? Explain. My dear students, now come to the answer. Question number A, what is permeable membrane? The membrane through which molecule of both solute and solvent can pass easily is called permeable membrane. Question number B, what do you mean by imbibition? Plants' body contain various colloidal substances such as starch, gelatin, etc. These substances can absorb water because of their colloidal nature. The process by which colloidal substances, that is cell wall in plants, absorb different liquid, that is water in case of plants, is called imbibition. Now come to next question number C. By which process does the dye from the brush of Zarif's sister sprayed out in the water? Explain. Zarif's sister was drawing picture with the help of color and brush. At that time, a minute amount of color from the brush drops into a glass of water and sprayed out in the water. By diffusion process, dyes from the brush of Zarif's sister sprayed out in the water. Matter are made up of small molecules. These molecules are always in motion. In case of liquid and gas, the motion of these molecules are very fast and shows tendency to diffuse towards the regions with the lower concentration from higher ones. This movement of molecules continues as the concentration of the two regions become equal. This type of movement of molecules are called diffusion. In the above stem, concentration of color was higher. So, when minute amount of color from the brush drops in the glass of water of lower concentration, it diffuses towards the lower concentration of water very fast and continued till the concentration of both the region became equal. My dear students, now come to the next question number D. Why is the swollen up process of dried grapes, that is kishmish, that Zarif observed important for plants? Explain. That means in this question answer we have to describe the importance of osmosis process. Number D, the swollen up process of dried grapes, that is kishmish, that Zarif observed is osmosis process. If two differently concentrated solutions of some solvent is kept separated by a semi-permeable membrane, the solvent from dilute solution diffuse through the semi-permeable membrane into the high concentrated solution, and this process is called osmosis. Different necessary mineral salts enter into the cells in the soluble form. Cell membrane or plasma membrane of the living organism act as semi-permeable membrane. Mineral salt dissolved in water enter into and pass out from the cell through plasma membrane. Intracellular water and mineral salt solution together is called cell shape or simply shape. So, osmosis plays a very important role in maintaining different physiochemical process of the cell. By this process, plants absorb water and mineral dissolved in water from soil through unicellular route here. Due to osmosis, turgidity of the cell is increased, that keeps stain and leaf fresh and straight. Also, plants can open and close. It can be said that the importance of osmosis in plants is immense. So, my dear students, your today's SW number is 8, that is creative question number 1. A and B submit this SW on Saturday. My dear students, I hope all of you have understood our today's topic, learn properly this CQ. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.